Yum. Totally worth trying. If you're looking for the best, the easiest, the simplest loaded fries recipe, try out this recipe because it's so simple, it's cheesy, it's just delicious, and yeah, it's just perfect. So it's perfect for serving for your guests, maybe making for your kids during the weekend, and everyone is going to totally enjoy. To make this delicious loaded fries, you're going to start off by peeling and washing your potatoes. Then you're going to cut the potatoes into fries, just like mine. Mine are ready. Meanwhile, you're going to move over to another stove top and place a pan ready for your minced meat. Add in cooking oil, and then you're going to add in 1 medium onion into the pan. Saute until the onion is soft. There's no need of browning the onions. All you have to do is just soften up the onions, add in your minced meat, and add a little bit of salt. As your onions are cooking, you're going to add in a little bit of seasoning. So I'm going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The salt is going to help the onions to release water, hence they're going to soften up really fast. To make this delicious loaded fries, we're going to be multitasking. So I'm going to check on my cooking oil for frying my fries and insert a skewer. Once I notice bubbling, the oil is ready for my chips. So using a skimmer, I'm going to pick up my fries and transfer into the cooking oil. That is carefully placing in the potatoes into the cooking oil. And when frying your fries, make sure not to overcrowd the potatoes because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and you're going to get soggy fries. Just add enough to fry into the cooking oil, and that is going to help the potatoes to crispen up. I'm still watching over my onions. Once the onions are ready, I'm going to add in my minced meat. Using my spatula, I'm going to break down the minced meat as it cooks. Then you're going to cook your minced meat for around 3 to 4 minutes because minced meat really cooks fast. And for this recipe, you're going to need a few kitchen utensils. I have some ramekin over here, which is oven safe. Also, I have some aluminum foil pans or pots, which are going to help me make my loaded fries in the oven. This is how my minced meat is looking after 4 minutes of cooking, and as you can see, the meat has turned from pink to a very nice brown color. That means that the minced meat is well cooked. So at this point, I'm going to add in a little bit more salt because I want to perfectly season my minced meat. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of tomato paste. Add in a splash of water, which is going to help me cook the tomato paste together with the minced meat. Stir in the tomato paste, and then you're going to cook for around 1 to 2 minutes so that the tomato paste can cook together with the minced meat. Check on my fries and they're coming along nicely. So I'm going to cook my fries for another 2 minutes so that they can crispen up on the outside. Check on my minced meat. Yum. It's perfectly seasoned and it's very delicious. So I'm going to turn off the flames and wait for the minced meat to cool a little bit so that we can bake our loaded fries. Also, check on my fries. And my first round of fries is ready. So I'm going to use my skimmer Shake off the excess oil and transfer to a bowl. Add in my next round. Use my skimmer and toss the potatoes into the cooking oil, and then you're going to fry for around 4 to 6 minutes. My fries are almost ready. So at this point, before you assemble your fries into the baking tins, you're going to preheat your oven at 425 Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Once your fries are ready, you're going to put out the flames, and then you're going to transfer into your bowl. And the fries are looking so awesome. Shake off the excess oil and into the bowl. Once you have all the fries into your bowl, it's time to assemble our delicious loaded fries. This is how my fries are looking, and they're very crispy. So I'm going to transfer into my aluminum foils. Add in a generous amount of the minced meat on top of the fries. Trust me, if you try out this recipe, it's going to be delicious because it's already looking so good. Spread the minced meat, and then you're going to top up with some cheddar cheese, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to the fries. Add in mozzarella cheese, which is going to add in a very nice cheese pull to the loaded fries. Then next you're going to place into your oven and bake at 220 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes or 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 5 minutes. When you're done making your loaded fries, they're going to be looking so delicious. So as you have seen, it's an easy and simple recipe with only 3 steps. That is frying the fries, making the minced meat, and topping up the fries and minced meat with cheese. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy loaded fries recipe.